Hello everyone, in this video I am going to install MySQL8 on CentOS8 machine. So let's begin. First of all, let's verify if I am using CentOS8 or not. For that I am using this command and the output shows that I am using CentOS8. Now before installing MySQL8 we need to download the repository. I have the link for the repository here. So I am downloading the repository first. Okay, it downloaded the repository. Now let me add the repository. Okay, the repository has been added now. Now let's install MySQL8. For that we have a very simple command, and that's yum install mysql.server. Let's see which version it will download. Yes, from here we can see that it's trying to download MySQL8 community server. So let's hit Y and wait for a while. It won't take, I think, more than 2 minutes. Let's see. Let's be patient. I do not want to fast forward it because it's really short time. The packages has been downloaded. Now it will install it. Little bit of more time. Okay, the installation of MySQL8 has been completed. Now let's start the service. For that we will use systemctl command. Start MySQLd. Let's wait here too. Okay. To enable the MySQL service at a startup, I'm going to hit another command. And to check if the MySQL service is running or not, we can use MySQL. Netstart command is not found, so I'm going to install the tool that is for Netstart. Or before that I will show you one tip. If you hit some command and it shows command not found, then you can simply do yum what provides the command name. Okay, command name. So in this case I'm going to hit Netstart. So this shows that the package name net-tools is responsible for netstart command. So I'm going to install net-tools here. That's why will not ask me to hit Y or N later. So that's basically yes. Do not prompt me for anything. Just go and install it. Let's wait here too. It's taking quite long. Oh, now let's verify again if MySQL service is running or not. For that we will use netstart command, and yes, MySQL service is running on port 3306. Now if I try to go to the MySQL prompt, MySQL shell, then will I be able to? Let's check. We have not set any password for the timing, so we are assuming, I assume that I will be able to go into the MySQL shell. Yes, it allowed me to go into the MySQL shell. Here is no any command, so I need to set some kind of command. Okay, let's check. We can do it using alter command as well. And there are various ways of doing it. Let's try with alter command first. First of all, let's see what are the users here in the MySQL. We have only root account and other system accounts, so which we do not have so much of use. So first let's go with root. Onto user root @localhost. New password. The new password means identified by hello@123. Let's hope if it works. If it does not, then we will go with another command. Yes, it worked. Now if I go out and try to do MySQL, will it let me in? I do not think it will let me in, but let's check. It will not let me in. Okay. And MySQL-u -root-p hello@123. Yes, it let me in. To be sure, 123, it let me in. And to check the version, we can do MySQL-version. Okay, the MySQL version is 8. Let's go to one folder. PIHC my.cnf.d MySQL server.cnf. This is all are important, but this is one of the important things while troubleshooting. So if you have any kind of issues, first we have to see in this location, and that's var log MySQL. Let's check till var log MySQL d.log. Okay, currently these are the logs that we can see, but if you are running into any sort of issue, then the first thing that you should go or refer to is this log file. Okay, so this is pretty much it for this lecture. So see you in the next one. Thank you.